Thailand trip by Patt Review8. Today we are going to visit Taem National Park. Thailand trip by Patt Review. Today we are going to visit Taem National Park, the starting point of Thailand's first light. It shares a border with Laos with the Mekong River serving as the boundary. Here, you can see prehistoric paintings along the longest cliff in the country, uniquely shaped stone pillars, and small colorful flower fields. During the late rainy season and early winter, Taem National Park covers an area of approximately 340 square kilometers, encompassing the districts of Kong Chiam, Simuyang Mai, and Po Sai. It borders the Lao People's Democratic Republic, with the Mekong River as the borderline. The National Park Office is located in the area of Ban Nong Pue Noi, Huai Phai Subdistrict, Kong Chiam District. The general topography of the park consists of plateaus interspersed with sandy mountains, steep cliffs along the Mekong River, and wide stone plains scattered throughout. The forest is a deciduous dipterocarp forest featuring many stone pillars, known as Chalyang pillars, and uniquely shaped rock formations. Additionally, wildflower fields bloom fully during the late rainy season and early winter, October-December. Interesting places in the national park area include the Sao Chalyang pillars. From the road leading up to the park, this point is about 1 kilometer before reaching Phat Taem and the Tourist Information Center. It consists of natural stone pillars formed by erosion from water and wind, resembling a cluster of mushrooms. The stones display remnants of seashells, gravel, and sand within them, suggesting that this area was once a sea over 1 million years ago. Locals refer to these mushroom-like stone pillars as Sao Chalyang, derived from the word Salyang, which means stone pillar. Phatam and Phakam are characterized by open rock plateaus with continuous areas and steep cliffs at the edges. Below is the Mekong River, which serves as a natural border between Thailand and the Lao People's Democratic Republic. Phatam is known as one of the most beautiful sunrise viewing points in Thailand. Additionally, in the Phatam and Phakam areas, there are paths leading down to view ancient rock paintings from the prehistoric era, dating back at least 3,000 years, which are arranged along the rock walls. In the area of Phakam, you need to walk along the nature study trail for about 300 meters to find the first group of rock paintings, Phakam. Continuing along the same path for another 300 meters, you will encounter the second group of rock paintings, Phat Taem, which consists of large paintings that stretch approximately 180 meters in length. The visible rock paintings can be categorized into 5 types: humans, animals, elephants, turtles, giant catfish, freshwater stingrays, objects, fishing tools referred to as taem by the Isan people, symbols, and human handprints. The paintings utilize techniques that emphasize the use of red and black colors, with some white, totaling over 300 images. There are also techniques of rock carving or making indentations in the stone using the method of grinding grooves. If you continue along the same path for about another 800 meters, you will find the third group of rock paintings, Phaemon. Soi Sawan Waterfall is located in the area of Na Pho Central Subdistrict, about 20 kilometers from the park office. It is a large waterfall formed by 2 streams, namely Huai Soi and Huai Phai, which flow from opposite sides of a cliff and converge. The height of the waterfall is approximately 20 meters, resembling a necklace. The area surrounding the waterfall is lush with various trees and wildflowers, especially during the late rainy season to early winter, from October to December, when wildflowers bloom in small fields near the path leading down to the waterfall, such as Dusita flowers and Suwanan necklaces, etc. There are restaurants and restrooms available for tourists in the parking area, but visitors must walk about 500 meters along a path to reach the descent to the waterfall and the junction to view the wildflower fields. Sangchan Waterfall, also known as the Waterfall Down the Hole, is located in the area of Na Pho Central Subdistrict, about 40 kilometers from the park office. It is a small waterfall formed by the Tha Long stream flowing over a rocky area and cliff that has a channel leading downwards. If you visit during midday, when sunlight streams through the opening just right, you can see the waterfall and the mist sparkling in the sunlight, resembling the light of the moon. The forest of Natam is located in the Punatam area. It is a popular route for tourists to hike or use 4-wheel drive vehicles to explore nature. Points of interest include the Stone Plateau, Phlan Tam Hai, the Twin Pillars, the Two-Leaved Tree, Huai Pok Waterfall, Phakanadai, Phakampan, the Broken Rock Cliff, Quang Ton Waterfall, the Rock That Rocks, and Phu Jomkom, among others, particularly the area near the stone. plateau close to the Twin Pillars is considered a beautiful sunset viewing spot, and Phashana Dai, located at the easternmost part of Dong Natam Forest, is known as the first place in Thailand to see the sunrise. Additionally, during the late rainy season to early winter from October to December each year, the Dong Natam Forest area is filled with blooming wildflowers for visitors to enjoy. These wildflowers have been named by Her Majesty Queen Sirikit, the Queen Mother, such as Dusita, purple; Soisuwana, bright yellow; Manideva, white; Tipkezo, light purple with pink; and Saratsakandra, purple with white with yellow tips, among others. Visiting the Dongna Tam Forest, which is located on a mountain and has prominent tourist attractions like Phachanadai, requires a four-wheel drive vehicle due to the rough stone road conditions. It is not recommended to drive a private car up there as it may pose dangers. Tourists can contact to use transportation services